One of the things that I like to do when I travel is to hike. The higher I go, the nicer the scenery becomes, and the reward is just so worth it. And being in Halong Bay, there is the famous Cat Ba National Park, which I do not want to miss out on. Good morning. It is 9 o'clock. We stayed here on the island yesterday in Halong Bay. It's much better than I had thought because we booked for this tour where they were supposed to take us to this shed, but this is far from a shed. This is like a hotel. They can probably sell this as a 5-star hotel if they wanted to, but it was good sleep, so we slept. We did some partying last night. I didn't party much as I was still jet lagging. This is day 2, and look this. It is amazing, crazy. So this is on a private island in Halong Bay. Apparently the owner bought this island and constructed some places here just for people to experience what it's like to be in Vietnam, and this is one of the least amount of tourists. It's very private. There was only a handful of us, like maybe 10 of us on the entire island, minus the workers, but that was pretty cool. It was nice. We had the entire island to ourselves. So yesterday was a full day of traveling, slowly sinking in that I am traveling, and it just makes me remember all the good stuff that comes with traveling. This time around I packed a little too much. So next time I'll definitely travel. But one of the more important things is you get to meet so many cool people to hang out with when you travel. Along the way, you also get to understand a lot more about life in general, and I get to learn a lot more about who I am, and I think that's invaluable. So today we're going to hike Katong Island, and so we're going to hike up. Can't wait. So we just got to the bottom of Cat Ba National Park. Some pretty nice scenery here. We're gonna take a trek up. Apparently it's gonna be a 2-hour trek. I don't know if that's 2 hours going up and then back down. Probably. So hope to get some really nice scenic view of the peak there. It's supposed to be breathtaking. So let's go.
This tree had been listed in IUCN Red List for near threatened tree. There are only 2 places in the world you can find this tree right now. The first place is in Vietnam, and the second place is at Himalaya.
We are almost there. This is what we get when we get up there. This is how steep the stairs are. No pain, no gain.
Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away. I run away.
So far, my impression of Vietnam is that it's got a lot of natural beauty, from Halong Bay to Cat Ba National Park. And it's a great way to be introduced to the beautiful countryside, and I look forward to seeing more of what this country has to offer.